set an alarm.
I didn't set. Did you set an alarm?
No, I didn't set an alarm. I mean, you know what? I'll bet I left it on last night.
Really?
And you know what? I probably just misset it.
Yeah.
Like, instead of AM, I went PM.
Right.
Yeah.
Nah, whatever. It's fine.
Okay, we're the only ones in here.
We're the
Like,
only
I know
people
we're the only
in
ones
the
in
room,
here.
so that makes no sense, basically.
It's like, I mean, it's late, so
Yeah.
I mean, I guess we're hearing
yeah,
things.
it's probably just hearing.
And it's
So
yeah. I mean, I'm
really doesn't.
yeah. Just,
Yeah, it's late. We're tired. We've had a long day, whatever. So I think it's fine.
I don't have a dog.
Me neither. No. Did you bring a dog? Or anything?
I wouldn't bring a dog. Did
I
a
really-
dog follow you? I mean,
No.
they could have.
I was driving, so that
I guess
doesn't
it's
make
just
sense
a stray. I mean,
Sure.
it's a stray.
It's a stray.
That makes sense.
Makes sense. Yeah, it really.
Okay, we don't
So
have
that's
a church.
bell tower.
Yeah,
That's
we don't have a church around here, and it's not Sunday, so
It's not Sunday. There's no church. There's really nothing that can make.
there's
that
nothing
noise.
around here that's big enough to make that.
Tonight's happening again too. That's what's weird.
But I'd be more than willing to accept that I was going insane, but you're hearing the same
I'm
thing.
hearing the exact same thing
You're
that
hearing the
you're
same
hearing,
thing.
so that makes zero sense. But no, there's really no explanation for what.
Are you okay?
No. Mm-mm. No, I'm not. No.
Well, that's understandable because before
It was our ears.
it was just our ears. It
stuff
was our
happening
ears.
in
But
the ears. Yeah.
But that was a physical.
That was my booty was up in the air, bouncing around on the bed. So
I
that-
don't. Okay, I've heard of like your mind playing with your physical body, but
that doesn't make sense.
actually moving.
Yeah, like flipping, getting you to bounce up and down while making a boing sound effect. I've never heard.
And
that
I
one
heard the
before.
boing sound
You
effects
heard
too.
the boing.
So
You heard the boing.
I heard the boing. The boing was
Yes. So there's no one here.
There's no one here.
There's.
I mean, could be a microphone maybe. Well, no, like a speaker
No.
and like
Because it's so clear, it's here.
it
It's
is.
loud, it's here.
Yeah.
It's present.
It's in the area.
It's in the room, you know what I'm saying? But it just doesn't.
There's no explanation as to
Why this is
why
happening.
that's happening.
Yeah.
Why any of this is happening.
Hear that? You heard that, right?
Yeah. Mhm.
Happened twice.
Yeah.
It's 2 times. It's 2
That's
times.
two. That's two. That's
Twice.
Two
That's
times in the exact same tone.
exact same pitch. It went bing like that. Like it went
It went,
bing like that.
see that was a definite sound.
It was such a precise sound.
It was clear.
It was here. It was present.
It was.
And but I don't understand how.
There has to be some sort of logical explanation as to what is happening.
You would think, wouldn't you? But I really can't find one.
I mean, it could be speakers, but there's nothing.
There's
There's
nothing
nothing in
here.
my room. It's just.
there's nothing here.
It's clothes. I mean.
Clothes, yeah.
I mean, some books and like
Stuff.
us. It's just
but
us.
who do you call? The freaking Ghostbusters don't exist.
What?
The Ghostbusters! They don't exist. They're not here. They're not here.
Well,
So, I don't know what.
I don't know what to do. Like. What indeed?
I don't understand. I don't.
And neither do I.
That came out of my mouth.
Did you just frog?